How's it going, guys? Today I'm doing a little quick overview on the cargo mat for the Kia Sorento. This is a 2025, but also fits older models. This was on Amazon for $74, and it's a pretty good material. It's a little thinner than the factory mats, but as you can see on the factory mat, the OEM mat, you can't individually lift up the seats. So you either lift up both or none, and you have to fold the mat in an awkward way where it's bunched up in the very back if both back seats are up. There's also some other aftermarket ones that are like this WeatherTech, which are the same as the even worse than the factory one. You can't lift up the seats at all. You have to completely take it off, and it's also pretty expensive at over $130. The factory one is also like around $130. But this Amazon one is decent quality, and it's only $74. I'll leave the link on the down at the description below. And it has the holes for the to pull back the seat, as you can see. And it's pretty good quality material. It's not super high quality, but it's decent. Here you can strap down. You can handle cable, and those squares in the middle and the back are for the baby seats. Those little squares in the middle, you can take that off if you want to anchor a baby seat to there. As you can see, smooth operation, lifting it up. It's a little flimsy right there by the hitch where the door closes, but it's hardly noticeable. As you can see, the material's a little thin, but it will protect your cargo area. There's the underside. And that's it, guys. You have any questions, leave them down in the description below, and go ahead and give a like to this video. Thank you.